Hello viewers, today I'll show you a spicy, creamy and very tasty cod fish curry recipe. This is my original recipe and it is very simple to make. Here I have a fillet of cod that I have cut into chunks and kept the skin on. I'll also need the paste of 1 large red onion, 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, 3 diced chilies, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 sliced red bell pepper, half cup of double cream, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chilli, cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let's season the codfish with a bit of salt, turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Spray a bit of oil on the fish. Massage the spices all over the fish on both sides and then let it rest for half an hour. Heat some oil in a pot and put the cod fish pieces into the pot, skin side down. We need to shallow fry the fish on each side for around 1 to 2 minutes to give it a bit of color. That's nicely golden now and we can take them out. That's the fish shallow fried. In the same pot, add the cumin seeds and the bay leaves. Fry them for half a minute. Then add the onion paste into the pot along with the ginger garlic paste and the diced red chilies, red and green chilies. Keep stirring the pot and fry everything well. Then add the powdered spices into the pot and blend them in. Then add the sliced red peppers into the pot and give them a mix. Add salt according to your taste and mix it in. Then add the tomato puree into the pot and give it a stir to blend it in. Add a bit of water to deglaze the pot and keep everything smooth. Now it's time for the double cream to go into the pot and blend everything well. Look at the beautiful color of this base gravy. It'll taste absolutely delicious. Rinse out the double cream bowl with water and add it to the pot. Add a bit more water so that we have a runny gravy to cook the fish in. Crumble a fish stock cube if you want to and mix it in. Now it's time to add the fish to the pot. Put them skin side down. Scoop up some of the gravy on top of the fish pieces, like I'm doing here. Cover and cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you turn the fish after 10 minutes and then take the lid off. As you can see, the fish is cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter into the pot and the garam masala powder, plus 1.5 teaspoon of sugar and mix them in. Sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves and our creamy cod curry is ready. Let's plate up our delicious and utterly beautiful cod fish curry. Ladle the gravy over the fish pieces. Garnish with a bit more freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve it with boiled rice or pulaus. Alternatively, it can also be eaten with naans or chapatis. Give this easy and very tasty cod fish curry a try and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Enjoy!